Can we delete all reposts at once on TikTok? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I will try to answer your question about if we can delete all reposts all at once in our TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing we'll need to do is open up our TikTok. So open up your TikTok and then head over to your profile. Now, as you can see right here, head over to your profile, and after you head over to your profile, let me just do that first. Now, you can see the repost button right here. You will see all of your reposts. I don't have a lot of reposts. Now, to delete a repost, you can simply open up a repost, tap on this button that says you reposted right above the channel's name, and tap on reposted, and then tap on remove repost. And that is basically how you can remove a single repost in your TikTok. Now, there is no feature which allows you to remove reposts in bulk, but they will continue to improve this experience. What you can do is that you can simply ask TikTok help desk to help you with removing all of that at once, but what they will say is that they will also tell you that there is no feature where you can remove reposts at bulk. And I hope this answers your question, guys. That is, you cannot actually delete all the reposts at once on TikTok. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.